If you're an online business owner, chances are you've been on the web searching for the best and easiest way to collect payments from your customers. Some online payment integrations come with a lot of red tape, a complicated setup process, requiring users to sign up for an account first, a huge price tag, and more. Collecting any type of payment should be easy for everyone involved, no matter what payment platform you decide to use for your business. This is where the Square add-on by WPForms comes in. The Square add-on allows you to integrate any of your site's forms with your Square account to let users submit payments for any products or services you may have to offer. After connecting your Square account to your site, you can simply go into the form builder and add a Square field to your form, where users will enter their credit card information to submit their payment along with the rest of the form information. You'll then be able to enable your form to accept Square payments from the Payments tab and map some of your form fields to the available drop-down fields. The Entries page in WPForms will show the completed transaction along with the rest of the user-submitted data. And if you log into your Square account, you'll be able to view the transactions that were submitted through the form on your site. Square processes payments for all types of businesses, and its straightforward fee structure makes it well-loved among big and small business owners alike. And with the Square add-on by WPForms, it's literally never been easier to both capture online leads and convert them into paying customers. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.